Karen, thank you. Only on WLWT. He's been labeled a monster and a child killer, and now a Carthage man convicted of murdering a 3-year-old boy 17 years ago could be getting a new trial.
And get this, prosecutors are not opposed to giving this death row inmate a second shot. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson joining us live. Karen, I understand that the deputy coroner who ruled this a homicide has actually changed her opinion.
Yes, that's right, Cherie. According to court documents and the defendant's defense team, the deputy coroner changed her ruling from homicide to an undetermined death, and that could lead to a new trial for Lamont Hunter.
Treston Blue, known as the little boy with the big brown eyes. He died in 2006 when he was just 3 years old.
38-year-old Lamont Hunter never turned around in court today.
Treston's mother's boyfriend at the time, Lamont Hunter, was charged with murder and rape.
He needs to suffer the same way Treston did and let his conscience eat away at him.
Hunter was convicted and when sentenced to death.
The courtroom erupted into cheers of amen.
Now, after sitting on death row for the last 16 years, Hunter could be getting a new trial.
He is just grateful that somebody's finally listening.
Attorney Al Gerhardstein, his firm, and federal public defenders say they've uncovered new evidence that caused a deputy coroner to change her opinion from homicide to an undetermined death. New evidence includes a photo of the stairwell that shows an angular ledge.
When the assistant coroner saw it, said, "Oh my, the injuries I identified on the young child could easily have been incurred by falling and hitting that ledge."
That was Hunter's story from the beginning.
And the other thing is that the evidence of medical intervention was not clear to her at the time.
Prosecutors said the toddler was raped with a sharp object, but Gerhardstein says new evidence shows injuries could have been accidentally caused by hospital staff trying to take Treston's temperature. A spokeswoman for the Hamilton County Prosecutor's Office released a statement saying in part, with this change in circumstance, the prosecutor's office understands that a new trial is appropriate. We remain confident in Hunter's conviction and welcome the opportunity to try him again, if we must.
And Hunter's attorneys say they commend the prosecutors for, quote, doing the right thing and not fighting the motion for a new trial. We could learn as early as next week if a judge grants him one. Reporting live tonight, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
Karen.